Welcome back. You can also customize the rows on any page within Clickfunnels. And you'll see it on the right side menu, and you can hover over the Rows tab. You can manage the existing rows, and you'll see them here on the right side menu. You can also add a row just as you did a section. So for example, we can click Add Row. And you'll see here your existing rows, and you'll see here the row layout that you want to place. And basically what you can do is you can drag and drop a new row into your page. Let's assume that we want to drag and drop a 3-column row into the page. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the 3-column row, we're going to drag it onto the page, and we can place it in the areas where Clickfunnels gives us the opportunity to drop the element. We're going to drop the element here on the page. Clickfunnels will rebuild the page, and you'll then see your 3 columns where you can add new elements. So just as you did with the section element, you can change the settings, and you get a settings menu. You have advanced settings in the menu, and then you can animate an individual section. Once again, you have controls over this element, and you can delete it when you are ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.